The anti-hijab movement that started in some parts of the country is disrupting peace. Some Western groups are trying to create a communal divide in the country by turning against people's freedom to wear the dress of their choice. Grand Mufti of India conducted a press meet at Bangalore, which discussed that the headscarf is a part of Muslim women's identity and essential religious practice that is assured by the Constitution of India. Any attempt to ban the hijab will be a denial of the constitutional rights of women. India and its institutions have maintained a respectful and inclusive approach to all faiths and customs for centuries. Pluralism in beliefs, culture, and dress is the nature and beauty of the nation. This beauty of diversity is part of the soul of India. It should be protected and promoted.
सही था, देखिए बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया. So what's the whole, क्या intention था, प्रेस मीट का क्या intention था?
क्या बोलना भाई जी, मैं अभी जो बोल दिया वही है हैं? हर इंसान, हर फिरका, हर हुकूमत, हर स्कूल कानून पर चलना है. वो कानून पर चले तो कोई रुकावट नहीं होगा, मुश्किल नहीं होगा.
सर, आपका मैसेज क्या है? जो चंद बच्चे जो प्रोटेस्ट कर रहे हैं, उनका मैसेज क्या देना चाहते हैं?
हमारा मैसेज तो यही है. वो मैसेज के लिए, ये कानून के लिए पूछना तो अच्छा है, कानून के खिलाफ में नहीं करना.
Just conducted a press meet here to say something about the so-called dispute going on in Karnataka in the name of hijab. No, actually, जो भी protest है, कुछ भी है, it should be according to the Qanun, according to the law, and according to the hijab. Ladies going out for strike also against the hijab. Hijab is a system in Islam. It is not only for women. For men also there is hijab. Men cannot be naked. But there is difference between the dress of men and women.
The Grand Mufti of India, Sheikh Abu Bakr Musliar Sahab. So Sheikh Sahab and Dr. Hakim Azhari Sahab, they've addressed the press today and they've strongly condemned the acts which are happening throughout the Karnataka state, wherein the Muslim girl students, they are being stripped of their burqas and hijab at the gates of the school.
So what next? What plan of action will be heading towards?
So the plan of action is already in motion at this point of time. Legal action has already been initiated. So we expect some kind of relief from the honorable court, and we have full faith in the judicial system of our country.
So there's a lot of media trial happening. Any action are you going to take it? Because already there are few of BIL have been filed.
Yeah, I request our media brothers not to pass judgments of such sorts. In fact, we have been seeing a lot of media people with their cameras running behind small kids. The kid would have been hardly around 5 to 6 or maximum around 6 to 7 year old. So they're literally being hounded with media cameras. So such acts need to be stopped and the privacy needs to be respected.